Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the VC runtime EU140_1.dll is missing error in Windows 11 or Windows 10. This error usually appears when you try to open a program or a game and Windows displays a message saying the program can't start because VC runtime 140_1.dll is missing from your computer. In many cases, this error may appear when launching applications such as Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Premiere Pro, AutoCAD or some PC games because Windows can't find the required runtime file. The VC runtime 140_1.dll file is part of the Microsoft Visual C Redistributable package. If this package is missing, outdated or corrupted on your computer, the program may fail to start and display this error. Fortunately, fixing this problem is very easy and you can do it in just a few simple steps. First, open your favorite website and then navigate to the Microsoft Visual C Redistributable download page. Scroll down until you find the latest support download section, then click on the link beside it. After that, you can choose either 64-bit or for 32-bit. You need to select x86. Just click on the link to start downloading it. I have already downloaded it. Once you download it, you need to install it on your PC. After installing this one program, just restart your PC. Just reinstall it and restart your PC. Now try opening the program again. In most cases, the VC runtime 140_1.dll missing error should be fixed and the application should start working normally. If the problem still continues, you can also try reinstalling the program that was showing the error. Another option is to run the system file checker tool. To do this, click on the start button and then type here cmd. In the search results, right click on the command prompt, select here run as administrator option. When user account control prompts, click on the yes button. Now here type s on the prompt, type sfc /scan now and then press enter on the keyboard. It may take several minutes. Once the scan is completed, again restart your computer. That's it. One of these methods should help you fix the VC runtime 140_1.dll missing error in Windows 11 or Windows 10. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more Windows tips and tutorials.